Welcome, today in front of me OPPO A15s, and I'll show you how to adjust ringtone volume on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then scroll to the sounds and vibration. Here you can see the ringtone volume panel, and just to change the volume of your ringtone you can hold for a while this white dot and drag it here. Just swipe to the left or to the down. To the left or to the right side this dot to change your ringtone volume. Also, we got the second way how we can do that. Just first be sure that here in volume button function you got selected the ringtone volume, and now by using your volume buttons here on the right side of your device you can change the ringtone volume. Just press your up or down volume button, and by this way you can change your ringtone volume. And also we got the third way how we can do that. Just press your up or down volume button, that doesn't matter, and then just by swipe this black dot to the up or to the down you can also change the volume of your ringtone. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.